What's up, bro? He behind where?
He behind Fat Man. Right?
What was he doing?
He was in the car down in my apartment. He took something out the car. It's a white box on the phone laying on that bench right there.
Okay.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Just put your hands up. Just put your hands up and sit. I understand. Just chill, bro. Just chill.
Put your hands behind your back, bro.
Alright.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, alright.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Cool 47, I'm gonna drop that phone.
Grab this hand.
Yeah, I'll make it easy.
Turn around, man. Turn around.
That's what's going on.
I'll tell you in a minute. 12-10. Show one back now. So where you coming from, boss?
From over there.
From over where?
The place that makes the burgers over there.
Okay. And what were you doing in those people's car?
I was in nobody's car.
You was in nobody's car?
No.
Okay. You got some ID on you?
Yeah.
Where's it at? You can just tell me.
You got to unbutton my thing? No.
What is this?
That's my money to get on the bus.
So where's it at?
It's right there.
Don't reach.
I'm just trying to help you, man.
Okay, just tell me where it's at. I don't need you to reach for anything. Where you live at?